let's go camping.
It's almost time for the tea party. How are those cupcakes coming along?
They're in the oven. Only a few minutes left.
Penny's gonna love my new tea set. Isn't it beautiful? Huh?
I'm coming. Gigi's here. Come on.
But it's time for...
Quickly. We are going camping. It's a great place with enormous blackberries. Yay! To the countryside.
Huh? What about my tea party?
Cutie, take the cupcakes out of the oven. We're going camping. I promise it'll be fun. You're gonna love it.
I don't like the countryside.
Yay! Hey, have you seen Cutie? It looks perfect. We fix it to ground and done. But where are you going with all that?
These are only the basics.
This is no good in the countryside. My compass is useful, though.
Nonsense.
Lady Gigi, we're off blackberry picking. Come on, lady. It'll be fun. Ah! Pan! Where are you, Pan? Pan! Lady, we have to go with the babies. Oh, have you seen how big they are?
I bet they're poisonous. I'm not picking any. Let me know when you're finished.
You can't sleep now. We have to stay in a group. It's important that we stay close and not get lost. This is unbelievable. Lady! Lady, don't be afraid.
I'm not afraid. I was looking for blackberries.
Sure, we have to go. It's getting dark. I know the way back. I've got my compass.
The compass is annoying. I can find my own way home. What's that?
Look out, lady!
Do I have to do everything?
Wow, that was incredible.
Come on. It's this way.
No, over here. Follow me.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I will trade my perfume for one of Connie's cupcakes. I'm hungry. How much longer?
Gigi! Lady! Yeah! Yay! Yay!
Thank you and your compass for rescuing me. The truth is, I was really afraid.
And thanks to your perfume, we made a good team in the end, didn't we? Magic tears! Wow!
Finally, my tea party out in the country.
We're only missing your cupcakes, Connie. Yes, but I don't know where Cutie is. Finally! Cutie, Pan, you are the best!
Yes, and the countryside isn't that bad. Thanks, friends.